Hello everyone. Today let's solve the let's discuss about the unique indexes, right? So here let's go with the definition first. So here in this case, what is unique index? Unique index ensures that all the values in the indexed columns are distinct. All the values in the indexed columns are distinct, just like a unique constraint. We have already made use of the unique constraint. We have the idea on the unique constraint, right? So here a unique index ensures that all the values in the indexed column or columns are distinct, just like the unique constraint, but with the added performance benefits of indexing. Simple, right? So now let me explain this one correctly, right? So we have made use of the unique constraint. Basically, unique constraint, what it enforces? Uniqueness, right? It enforces the uniqueness. A unique index does that as well and speeds up the queries involving that particular column. How it is useful? It is useful when we want fast lookups and want to prevent the duplicate entries on columns like username, phone number, or email, anything it might be, right? So we can create unique index on single column. We can create unique index on single column, and also we can go with a unique composite index on the multiple columns as well. We can go with a unique composite index on multiple columns as well, right? So I hope this part is completely clear, man. I'll just explain this one with very simple example. Very simple example. Let's consider very simple example. Let's see, right? So first, let me do one thing here. Let me delete this one. I'll just make use of, we have created database name is YT test, right? So I'll just make use of this one. This is fine. Now let's create a new table for the user account. So I'll just go with the create table. So this one will be user accounts. This is fine. User accounts. So here let me make use of the parameters user id int. So this one is primary key. And this one will be username. This will be var char of 50. This is fine as well. Next I'll be making use of email parameter as well. So this will be email var char of this one. I'll just give 100. So this is fine. So we are done with the query part. We'll be making use of the parameters user ID, username, and email. Now, what we need to do, we have to create a unique index on the username. Let's create the unique index on the username. I'll just go with create here. So I'll just go with the keyword unique and then unique index, right? So I'll just give index here. I'll just name this index underscore username. So we have considered username itself, right? So yeah, this is fine. This has to be capital N, username. So here, yeah, I have given capital N. This is fine. Username underscore unique here on I'll just give user accounts here of, let me pass user name here. This is fine. So a has to be small here. This is fine. So now we have successfully created the unique index on the username. On the username, we have successfully created the this one unique index. Now let's insert the data. And let's try inserting the duplicate username. So we get the error. So we will get to know the difference. We will get to know the unique indexing along with the difference between the unique index and this one unique keyword, right? So I'll just give me a second here. So let me paste the data here. So here in this case, we are inserting the data. We are inserting into user accounts table, which consists of the parameters user ID, username, and email, right? So here user ID I have given 1. So here Bharadwaj I have given b at example.com, and 2 here for this one user ID 2 I have given 2 data we have considered, right? So here this one is code buff c at example.com. These two things I have considered. So we are trying to means we are trying to insert the duplicate username here. See, 3 I have given here. This is this one user ID 3, but Bharatwaj we have already considered, means we are trying to insert the duplicate username here, right? So I have given Bharatwaj here again. So but this one email ID is different. I have given B2 here at example.com, right? So let me try to execute this one. Yeah, this one level 16 could not find stored procedure B2. So this one line number 19, right? So here yeah, let me execute this one again. Yeah, now you can clearly see. Right. So here it is saying two rows affected, two rows affected, right? So the first and second inserts, this one Bharadwaj and the code buffs with the ID 1 and 2, this works absolutely correct. No problem with this one, no problem with this one. And the third insert, this is giving us the error, the statement has been terminated here, right? So we are getting here, cannot insert duplicate key row in object dbo.user accounts with the unique index, with the unique index, right? So here it violates the unique index on username, it violates the unique index on username. That is why we are getting the error, right? So here we have made use of the create unique index, this part I'm speaking, the line number 9, we have made use of the unique index, right? Here create unique index, this prevents duplicate usernames. We are providing we are performing on username basically, we are performing on unique this one unique index on username basically. This prevents the duplicate usernames, right? So this prevents the duplicate usernames. So when I give the same name here to the different ID, we get the error, we get the error. So basically this improves query performance when searching by username, when searching by username, right? So now yeah, now I hope this part is completely clear, man. Now I hope this part is completely clear. So basically in simple terms, unique indexes combine the benefits of uniqueness enforcement with a faster search performance. Just keep this in mind. So we can use them when a column must have unique values and be frequently queried, right? So this is the reason we will be mainly making use of, will be mainly using unique indexes, will be mainly using unique indexes. I hope this part is completely clear, man, right? I hope this part is completely clear. I mean, the concept unique indexes is completely clear, right? For now, this is it. So next we will be, so these are the basic concepts basically. Next we will be discussing uh, about this one, relationship types, right? So we'll be going with the different types of relationships, we'll be seeing different types of relationships, that in completely I mean in detail basically, right? So for now I hope the concept of unique index is completely clear, or the unique indexes is completely clear. For now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.